Okay, good morning mga kauno, especially sa Titans Group. Congratulations sa launching ng Titans Global Support. Napakagandang vehicle to para ma-expand niyo yung network niyo internationally. Make use of the technology right now. Alam niyo, pag ginamit niyo itong online training or online technology natin, walang boundaries. Anywhere around the world, pwede natin expand ang business natin, especially itong UNO, wherein napakarami natin mga kababayan abroad. Alam natin ang number one export ng Philippines is not a product, it's actually manpower. So somehow napakarami natin mga kamag-anak, kaibigan, kakilala sa international. This is the best opportunity na magamit natin itong technology na to na online system para ma-expand natin yung network natin. Pag hindi nyo ginamit ito, somebody will use this system and before you know it, baka yung mga kaibigan, kamag-anak ko pa, nakuha na ng ibang grupo. So don't be left behind. Make use of the new system. Congratulations sa Titans Group.